Hello, friends. I am living in a very good apartment, and I was able to buy an expensive laptop, and I'm able to take good care of my family, but also I'm able to eat good. I'm able to go anywhere that I want because I make money online. So, in this video, I'm going to be really honest with you and I'm going to tell you the truth about making money online. Right now, if you go on YouTube, you find these different videos on how to make money online. There are a lot of people right now, they're posting video like this, how to make money online. Do this and do this, you make $1,000. But I'm going to be really honest with you on the best way for you if you really want to start to make money online. Maybe you should follow these steps. These are the very, very good steps for you to really start making money online. It's really possible. I've seen other people are making up to $20,000 every single month online. There are other people who are making up to $50,000 just online. They're just using their laptop and they're making reasonable amount of money. But also for me, the highest amount of money that I made in 1 year, I think it was $3,000, and I can show you here. This is the amount of money that I made in just 1 month. It was $3,000, and this was like the highest amount of money. And up to now, I've made almost more than $70,000, which is really, really good amount of money just to make online. And you just have to use your laptop or you just have to use your phone to make such amount of money. So in today's video, I'm gonna be really honest on the best way for you to start making money online. And this is the truth. This is our first step. First of all, you need to focus on really strategies. You need to stop wasting your time on these ways to make money. Like, you need to stop watching these videos how to make $1,000 just by doing real surveys. You cannot make reasonable amount of money just by doing surveys. And there are a lot of videos on YouTube. They say that you can make money just by watching videos, watching YouTube ads. All these ways are fake. You really cannot make reasonable amount of money just by listening to music, just by playing games and all that. So the only way and the really strategy for you to start making money is that you need to start content creation. I know it's going to be hard at first, but this is the only way that can make reasonable amount of money for you by posting content on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. You really need to focus on this way, and after a period of time, you're going to start making money just by this content that you're posting on these platforms. And the other way that you need to be really good at using AI tools. AI is coming more and more common right now, and there are a lot of people are making reasonable amount of money just by using these AI tools to help to provide services into different companies. So you really need to start learning about AI. It doesn't matter like how old are you right now. You can start learning AI and you can start providing AI services, and at the end of the time, you can start making money. And the other way to make money is affiliate marketing. You are going to promote different products on your, it can be on your Instagram account or on your YouTube account, and you can start getting commission. That's how we call affiliate marketing. You are going to get paid just after promoting different products on your page or on your account. So these are the really strategies for you to start making money online. So step number two, you need to be consistent. It's gonna be that you're starting to post online on YouTube, on Instagram. You gotta be consistent. You don't have to say that you're expecting this success overnight. It's not gonna be overnight success. It's gonna take at least 6 months. It's gonna take at least a year, 2 years, or 3 years. But after that, your life will be changing in a very, very good way, and you are going to see this success that you never believed that it can happen to you. It's a good way for you to really start making money. You need to be patient, you need to be ready to face pain, to face disappointments. You need to be ready for everything. You just gotta be consistent on everything that you do to start making money online. And a lot of people, they fail to be consistent. That's the reason they cannot make money online. So the other way for you to really start making money online, you need to be very careful and you need to avoid scams. You know, there are a lot of scams, especially online nowadays. There are a lot of people that are promising you can make $10,000 just by doing this. You can make $20,000 just by doing this. And if you're going to try that, you're going to lose your money and also you're going to waste your time. So you really need to be very careful on each video that you are watching on YouTube. There are a lot of videos that they just want you to watch their videos because they get a lot of views and they're making money through you. They are making reasonable amount of money because you're watching their videos, and they are just posting nonsense. They are promising you can make a reasonable amount of money, but if you go forward and try all those methods that they explained in a video, you come to realize that they're not working. So do not believe any person that says that you can make $1,000 a day, you can make $2,000 a day, you can make $10,000 a month, and all that. All of these are going to take time and they're not going to be overnight success. You just got to be very careful with these scams because they are just going to waste your time, and also they're just going to make you lose your money through all these websites and all these scams. So the other step, you need to test this more. So if it's about content creation, I can say that you need to start posting small. You don't have to be with a high expectation. You just have to post it little by little by little, and at the end of the time, you know, you can master this and you can be very good at, you know, content creation, you know, AI tools and all that. So these are the ways, real ways, that can help you to start making money online. There are other ways, but I think these are the best ways that you can really start making money online. And from now on, I really hope that you should start watching this video. They say that you can make money just by walking, you can make money just by watching YouTube ads and all that. These are scams and you need to avoid these type of videos because they're just gonna ruin your mood, but also they're just gonna waste your time and waste your money as well. So thank you so much. I really hope that this video is really gonna help you and you're gonna start posting content. You're gonna start learning about AI tools and you're gonna start using affiliate marketing for you to start making money and all that. And I just wanna let you know that results may different from this person to another person. It just depends on the effort that you're putting and the skills that you're putting to start making money online. And you just gotta do your own research, like all these ways that I mentioned. You have to add your own research and see how you can also start making money through these ways that I've mentioned, that is affiliate marketing, AI tools, and content creation. So thanks so much, and I really hope to see you next time.